Jean-Jacques Franco en relais. Ti Jean-Jacques Routy en relais. 4 jours DJ sans blague Jésus.
Mais saleté manqué à.
What's up, West Squad? How you doing today? I'm glad to be back with you guys with another video. So today's video is gonna be about Haitian men versus Jamaican men. So it's a very funny video. So I'm gonna react to it, and then you guys gonna tell me if it's true or not. So with that further ado, let's get right into the video.
I've been wanting to make love to a Haitian. Can you make my dream come true?
No. I'm cheap, faithful. I have girlfriend.
And you don't want this?
No, faithful. I go to church every Sunday. Don't touch me. I have girlfriend. Oh my, what's it?
Yo, that's what all the Haitians be saying, man. Oh, like for everything. They be saying oh for everything, man. Like this is saying oh, I have girlfriend. You know, them lie. You wanted to, like, you know, do something with the girl, but you know, Haitian men are loyal, man. Like, you know, Haitian men don't cheat. All right, let's continue watching the video.
Hey, excuse me. I saw your flag. Are you Jamaican?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I'm looking for somebody to help me get my groove back.
You serious?
So serious.
Hold on. Baby. Boss man going mad. Big things are going on my job. Bombo Clark wants me to work straight for 3 days. No cell phone, no text.
This is it for 3 days. You know damn well he's lying. Yo, I don't understand patois, but this dude be like, he's trying hard to speak patois, man. Like I can tell that he's like really Jamaican for sure. Like he's trying hard to speak patois, but like, you know, I be listening to people like speaking patois in front of me. So this dude is not speaking the real patois, man. Like this is say, boss man going mad, going out for a treat.
Yeah, man. Kiss the kids goodbye. Me a soon come. Sing. So you want this ding-a-ling-a-ling? Or you want to go the hell?
This is say, you want that ding-a-ling-a-ling?
Look at that. Alright, let's go get this fairness. 3 days straight.
But tell me what you think, man. Is Haitian men really faithful or Jamaican men? Tell me what you think, man, because I know for sure Haitian men don't cheat. So comment in the video, let me know. Don't forget to like this video, man. Comment and subscribe, man. Thanks guys for watching, man. Like if you want me to do more video like that, just tell me, man. Like, cause I'm trying to do a Q&A. Just ask me question and I will do the Q&A video soon. So thank you guys for watching.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03, dog. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broski.